I own a tech company. It's called Socia. You don't know it yet. But as soon as you see yourself up against the wall, especially in business, makikilala mo kami. The biggest dream for Socia is for business owners na masagad ko yung may mga malaking potential na negosyo kagaya ko. Ang shift na gusto kong simulan sa lahat ng negosyo dito sa Pilipinas, from luma to bago, from being late to having the latest.
Well, if I'm going to introduce Socia to my friends, I think isa lang naman sasabihin ko sa kanila eh.
Socia is a place where you can go.
Socia is disruptive, unorthodox.
Socia builds systems for other businesses.
One of the company nagdo-dominate ngayon.
A place na kung saan makakasama pa.
Big opportunity.
Tsaka mabilis.
Mapapadali ng Socia yung buhay mo.
Ang fastest tech startup dito sa Pilipinas.
Sinabi kasing startup company, automatic mabagal yung usad nun. Pero si Socia, sobrang bilis ng arangkada niya. Kung walang system ang isang business, napakahirap kasi.
Basically, chaos. Kasi kahit naman hindi sa trabaho, may it be personal, kung wala kang sistema, magulo.
Hindi optimize yung workflow mo and
Disorganized and chaotic.
Everything would be directionless.
Mahirap, bagal.
Ay, masisira yung trabaho talaga.
Walang sistema eh.
Payat.
Socia is like your secret business web.
Do they want more? And if the answer is yes, then kailangan mo si Socia.
Kami yung gagawa ng isang system solution para makatulong sa growth and scale ng negosyo mo.
And that system is built by the Filipino developers purely.
Dumating sa point na every businesses here in the Philippines, tinutulungan ni Socia. And that's the goal. Whatever it takes, that's the goal.
Socia in 5 years is makikita ko siya as a big company dito sa Pilipinas. Siguro sasabay na tayo sa mga ibang tech company na nandito sa Pilipinas.
Tech kasi dito walang limit. Lahat ng gusto kong mangyari, mangyayari.
Number 1, I am the CMO. So, i-make sure ko na hindi makakalimutan itong kumpanyang to. And that's the legacy for me.
We grow with you as a partner. It's time for you to go digital.
Nag-start ako sa tech, at tatapusin ko sa tech.
Legacy, kami ang makakasama ng lahat ng magiging pinakamalalaking negosyo at kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas.
Palakpakan natin si Regan.